Here's a little demonstration of all the things that I can already do, and I've built all this in a couple months only, or I've built this, the AI has built this. So here's a test project. I've built my own terminology system. So the glossary matches are shown in the same structure as the text. So here's the source text. You can add something, for example. Let's just add something. Ooh, sorry. Select where you want to add it to. Oh, there it is. And matches. So this is the source, machine translation, and the TM pane. So the translation, memory match, source, and target. You can do some searches. This is a concordance search, horizontal search, like you're used to, or a new one which I designed, which I think is cool. Glossary searches, web resources, immediately ready. So my website that I just showed you, it's all built in basically. I've got prompt manager, loads of tools, TMX editor, comparing different LLM quality, a quality benchmarking system, OCR in PDFs. You can compare different so ChatGPT with Claude, etc. It's just got all this, and yeah, like I said, a couple months.